In a minimum-sized house in Denton, Texas, an older gentleman with cerebral palsy studies his pyrographic art piece hanging on the wall. Joe Rivas is an artist that works with heat and fire to burn images onto wood. Joe is also a woodworker that builds tables and other items for customers and himself. In this video, you will see how Joe builds a new eating tray for himself. Can you describe for the viewers what exactly is pyrographic art?
It's like pyrographism when he different wood.
Joe, what was your first major art piece?
My first major piece was the toilet. I started with iron because it was the hardest store. When I got the idea of burning on the fish, I did the young oil fish image on a 4x4 framework. The tonight and the manufacturing glass, but I consider photography to be my first major piece. This is why I named my studio after him.
What are some of your most famous pieces, and where have you sold them?
Some of the most famous pieces have been the tiger, the American eagle, the Rivas, John Wayne, horses, customer real-life animals, and famous celebrities for some reason. My favorite is the new girl playing the saxophone under the moon.
How did you come up with the idea for your new table? It is so fascinating.
I have been looking for a new table for a year or more, but I never could find the right size and height to meet my needs. I thought that I could build one from scratch. I'll take the image of my old table and thought about it for months. I finally made a blueprint of it with the Cricut app. As you can see, my old table was worn out and falling apart. The wood kept falling off. The bow holding them together, and the one wasn't the tape to keep it from breaking. It was time for a new table.
I understand that you like Coca-Cola. Is that why you chose the old soda shop theme with Coca-Cola as a reference point?
I have always had a fascination with Coca-Cola and its product. I think my addiction began during my youth. So can have always been easy for me to open, whereas water, I cannot read because to know my father feel the glass, putting on the table, take a drawing and drinking. With soaking, I can go with a Coke, put it in a drink holder, put a straw in it, and drink it. Coca-Cola became my soda of choice, and then I love it. The child is getting from 50 and 50 I chose to build my new tray table in the office shop.
Love to teach the world to sing with me. Perfect harmony, perfect harmony. I like to buy the world out and keep it company.
While building the table, Joe carefully and strategically uses a rotor sander to sand different parts of the table. Every 2x4 stud must be put together with wood glue and deck screws. The table frame had to be perfectly measured to fit the right height, width, and length to fit his needs. Without the right measurements, the table could be too high, wide, or long. If the table is measured wrongly, Joe's table could not be used for his meals. Joe uses red paint, as in the color of Coca-Cola, to coat the wood in his favorite drink. The purpose of the table is to prevent prolonged coughing during meals. This table is much higher than the previous tray, so the increased height will help Joe sit straighter, which will open his esophagus and close his lungs when swallowing foods and liquids. Joe has a history of pneumonia and hospitalization from poor posturing during meals. The new table may help Joe's posture and give him a healthier lifestyle. Joe's crew for building his new tray table includes Ray Groder and McKenna Kemp. They are valued caregivers that worked earnestly with Joe to build the table with 2x4 studs, wood glue, screws. With Joe's guidance, each caregiver cut the wood, drilled in the screws, and painted every piece to form the frame and overall, the entire table. Additional contributors included Steve Brower, Maddie Gilbert, and supporters on Facebook. This table is greatly appreciated.
Featuring artists with disability.
Joe!
He has cerebral palsy, and he does pyrography where he burns, and it's just the most incredible thing because every mark that's made in his paintings is just this incredible intention. Hey Joe, do you want to show do like this?
That's amazing. Can I touch it? Wow. How did you find your way to pyrographics?
Oh no.
How important is this community? Having knowing John and I love that. It is truly magnificent. Well, congratulations on your first art show. After doing the workshop today, getting that much more appreciation of the work that you do, though. But that's when I look at some of your work and
Charlie, you missed
you
it.
spend a
Joe
little
was
bit of
on
time going through
TV.
the process. It's like it's brilliant what you were doing.
Oh, sorry.
Joe appeared on the expressway with Dula Hill, filmed and aired on PBS. Similar stories about Joe have been published in the Denton Record Chronicle and the North Texas Daily as part of the University of North Texas newspaper. Joe's pyrographic art and Cotro games can often be seen and purchased at the Denton Community Market on Saturdays from 9 a.m. until 12 p.m. Joe's adoring art pieces include 24 by 24 art pieces, chessboards any sizes, Cotro games any themes, small artwork any sizes, signs and plaques any size upon requests. All works and games are either burned by freehand, engraved, painted, and or a combination of techniques. Costs for items vary per art piece and size. See contact information for order requests.
ladies and gentlemen, here is the new Coca-Cola source is now 40 feet related to you by me. This table was not assembled by my woodworking skill. It was a collaboration between my caregiver, Facebook supporting, and me. Areas to report school and ancestry were carefully placed to serve my needs. The paint, film, vinyl, and sticker were added in coated with clear resin to give the table a true shine in the old school solar shop theme. I am extremely proud of my table. It should serve my need for years to come. I want to thank everyone that helped me build my new trade table. This long project was a testimony as to how communities can build things when they work together. I will use my trade table for years. I also want to thank Coca-Cola for being my inspiration. You are the top drink and memorabilia have always been a symbol of greatness in the world. This is why I chose it as my team. Now as I eat my meal, drink my Coke, I will think of my caregiver friends on Facebook and Coca-Cola. These are memories I want to give me joy in life. Thank you.